Alright guys, quick follow-up. Forgot the slide catch in the last video, and I tried to put in a taken apart magazine and test it out, and it did not work. What holds open your last shot is this little tab on the follower in the magazine. So when you insert a magazine, the last round being missing presses up on the slide hold open lever. So if I throw the slide back on, okay, I'm going to leave the hammer in the most rearward position. I'm going to insert the magazine, and pow! Works. Take down the magazine, drop the slide, decock, good to go. Walther PPK /S. Peace.